Grandparents College is where generations come together in the spirit of love and honor. Join us on campus for 3 days of excitement and hands-on learning for Miami University alumni and their grandchildren ages 8 to 12. At Grandparents College, you will be a student once again, staying in a residence hall and sharing meals with others in the dining hall. You and your grandchildren will select a major and enjoy interactive classes taught by Miami faculty and staff. But it's not all about making the grade. We have large group activities planned at different locations across the university, giving you an opportunity to see what's new on campus and show your Miami pride to your grandchildren. Bring generations together to make lifelong memories and, most of all, have fun.